Breakfast noontime from the International Space Station, I should say, at planet Earth.
Yes, somewhere.
Somewhere. Going
A lot of
on
ocean
right
out there.
Yes.
Probably learned about that when you were in school. A lot of ocean out there.
Although this could be more our territory considering the cloud cover we're approaching right here.
Yeah.
Gray out there today.
It is, and it feels every part late October,
Fall.
early November
Yeah.
right now. But we're gonna have probably our last push.
Last hurrah.
I would statistically.
I would think
It's
so.
gonna
How
be
much
November,
further can it go?
Let's keep pushing
Yeah.
and see what happens. It's chilly right now, right? Clouds, middle of the day here in 40s in Portland. Parsonsfield sitting at 42, top of Mount Washington, 27 degrees right now. To the north, there's actually some sun, but you wouldn't be able to pick that out looking at the temperature map. And that's one of the signs of this time of the year, right? As that sun angle gets less and less powerful, the sun doesn't just pop temperatures the way that it did even a month ago or so. And you can see there's gradient is really sharp right now with a lot of sun over Aroostook County, parts of Washington County as well. Southwest of that, though, cloudy, and I think it's going to be hard for us to get out of that. I don't see a lot of clearing to the north here, so we're likely to stay cloudy, mostly cloudy at least through the rest of today. A couple sprinkles out there. Turning from snow showers to just rain shower, a quick sprinkle along the coastline as they head downhill. It's always tough to tell with reflectivity like that if it's actually hitting the ground or not. But if it is, it's likely just a quick shower moving through the Belfast area, for example. So we stay cloudy, isolated shower is possible through the rest of today. More consistent shower activity into some rain this evening. This is 11 o'clock tonight. And this is actually our warm front. So we have to get this front through to get into the stuff that a lot of us want to, which is Thursday and Friday, the warmer temperatures. There'll be some showers, maybe even a quick downpour here, second half of the night into early on Wednesday. Should be able to clear out Wednesday midday as far as the rain goes, but likely staying cloudy. Note, though, it is 10 degrees warmer than today just right off the bat, and temperatures keep warming up during the afternoon hours on Wednesday, and even in a lot of cases overnight on Wednesday, our temperatures stay flat or they get a little bit warmer. So we wake up on Thursday with a low that's the same as our high tomorrow. And after that, off to the races with some sun and temperatures in the low to mid 70s. And we have a chance to get in the top 3 warmest Halloweens on record here because it really varies quite a bit, the Halloween temperatures. Showers come back in on Friday, but we stay relatively mild. It should be in the 60s at least through Friday afternoon. So Halloween normals is 54 in Portland, 52 in Augusta. And then compare and contrast that, if I get out of the way, to our forecast for tomorrow, which is 73. And 73 would put us second warmest. There was an 80. I forget what year it was, but there was an 80-degree reading in Portland on Halloween. I don't think we'll get that, but we're likely to be certainly in the top 3 warmest Halloweens. I didn't make this graphic. Don't email me. It's a little cheesy, but it gives you an idea of how warm it's going to be during the evening. That's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we're into the low 60s. So a lot of kids go out 5:36. We'll be in the mid 60s still, which is really nice. Don't have time for that graphic. Temperature trend, stark over the weekend, back down into the 50s. I will say this though, the weekend is cool, but it's sunny. So yeah, that definitely improves the vibe. And it better be because it is a most dreaded day for a lot of people. We fall back. Coming up this Saturday night, or technically Sunday morning, is our fall back. And this begins the 3 or 4 week period in which I hate November. But there you go, right on cue, right? A last hurrah, boom, Halloween.
That's right, and then we will feel it abruptly on the weekend.
Descend into the darkness. Sunset will be around 4:30.
Okay. It'll be brighter in the morning though, right?
Yes.
That's the upside.
True.
All right, thank you.